I turned an AI super agent into my 24/7 employee, and what happened next was not what I expected. Because not only did my new AI employee work all day and all night to help me grow my business, it does something a human employee would never do. Let me show you what I mean. To do that, let me introduce you to Kevin, my fully automated AI digital employee. I gave my AI employee a name so it would be more fun to chat with, but right now Kevin is hard at work researching profitable digital product ideas to help me make more money with my online business, and then telling me exactly how to market them. And the best part is, it does this whole process automatically, saving me about 20 hours per month. The AI super agent I use to build my digital employee is called 𝗕𝗿. And the craziest part is, I created my AI employee with just one prompt. Watch, and I'll show you how. So here on my screen, you can see I'm inside my 𝗕𝗿 account, which is free to create, by the way. And you can see the prompt I used to create Kevin, my AI employee, right here. With 𝗕𝗿, you can build any type of AI automation you want just by chatting with it through this chat box right here. I'll explain my prompt in just a second, but you might be wondering why I'm not using Claude Code. Well, that's because, in my opinion, 𝗕𝗿 is actually better than Claude Code for creating automated tasks, like my AI employee Kevin, especially for beginners. Because unlike Claude Code, 𝗕𝗿 isn't just a developer tool, chatbot, or a vibe coding app. It's an AI super agent that lets you turn your chats or online workflows into automated 24/7 tasks called mini apps. I added the link to access 𝗕𝗿 down in the description if you want to follow along with me in this tutorial. But let me show you how I turned my prompt into an AI employee that works 24/7 for me. So here in the chat box, you can see I explained to 𝗕𝗿 exactly what task I needed help with. You can pause the video here to read my prompt, or you can copy and paste it from the free checklist I created to go along with this video. My checklist includes this prompt and the rest of the steps from this tutorial, so you can follow along with me. The link to grab your copy of the checklist is in the description. And when you read the prompt, you can see the task I wanted help with was 1. Researching new digital product ideas that are currently in demand, backed by actual data. 2. They had to be things I could create quickly and sell to my existing audience. 3. It had to provide marketing angles for each product so I know exactly how to sell them. And last, I wanted 𝗕𝗿 to add its research into a Google Sheet for me so I can review it whenever I want. And this is what I call a multi-task prompt. And to be honest, most LLMs like Claude or ChatGPT struggle with this type of prompt because as soon as you ask them to do more than one thing at a time, they get confused. But 𝗕𝗿's super agent was built specifically to handle complicated tasks and workflows, so it has no problem completing my multitask prompts. Just remember to give the super agent a detailed explanation of what you want it to do. It doesn't have to be technical. You can talk to it in regular language. Just make sure you're clear on the result you're looking for. Again, you can copy and paste my prompt as a template from the video checklist. Now, once you enter your prompt into the chat box here and hit submit, the 𝗕𝗿 super agent will start thinking, building a plan to complete your task, and then actually complete it. And it only takes a few minutes to do this. You can watch 𝗕𝗿's process here on the screen as it works. You can see it's researching and analyzing what it finds. Then now you can see it's adding its research to a Google Sheet for me, just like I asked. And I'm going to explain how to connect 𝗕𝗿 to your Google Drive in just a minute so you can do this too. But for now, let's see what 𝗕𝗿's super agent completed for me and if it was able to complete my task. Here you can see it suggested a list of really great ideas based on research it found from popular Reddit threads. It also ranked the ideas and gave me its top 2 choices based on the data it found, including the marketing angles I can use to sell each digital product. Then the last step it did was put everything together into a Google Sheet, just like I asked. So now I can come back to this list whenever I need a new idea or a new digital product that I want to launch. Now, why this is amazing is because this type of research would have taken me hours to do myself, but 𝗕𝗿's super agent did it in less than 5 minutes. But we're not done yet, because remember, I want to show you how I turned this chat into my new AI employee Kevin that runs automatically for me. So like I mentioned earlier, the way that 𝗕𝗿 automates tasks is by creating automated mini apps. And the process to create one is so simple, I kind of didn't believe it until I saw it happen. Let me show you. All you have to do is from your existing chat where you ask 𝗕𝗿 to complete your task, just click this button here where it says create an agent, and then select the options that you want. Or the even easier way, in the way that I created Kevin, is by saying this in the chat. That's it. No coding needed, no complicated instructions on how you want to create it. Just enter this into the chat, including the schedule you want your mini app to run, or your digital employee to work. And 𝗕𝗿 automatically knows how to build it. Watch, When I hit submit, the super agent will get to work again, building my new automated mini app, also known as Kevin. Oops, but you can see here that I forgot to give it the name Kevin in my first chat, so I stopped 𝗕𝗏 for just a second and added this detail, then submitted it again. Then you can see the super agent got to work building my mini app automation in real time here. But I'm actually going to speed this up a bit for you for this tutorial. But when it's done, you'll see my new mini app named Kevin is ready to start completing tasks for me and is now also scheduled to run and research new digital product ideas with the marketing angles every Monday at 8 a.m. Now, to see your new mini app or edit it at any time, you can click right here. Or you can click the Agents option from the left menu and then select it from your list of agents. I've built a few already, but you can see Kevin right here. And when I click on it, you can see all of the details about Kevin, including the schedule it's supposed to work, and the details of the custom skill 𝗕𝗏 created for this task right here. I'm going to show you how you can edit this if you want to make any changes in just a second, but let's do a test run to make sure Kevin's actually working properly. Again, I'm going to speed this up for this tutorial. But when it's done running, you can see that Kevin ran perfectly, finding a list of new digital product ideas with the marketing angles ranked in order that I can now create and sell to my audience. If you want me to create a follow-up video showing you how you can use 𝗕𝗏 to build your digital products for you, including the landing pages, let me know in the comments. But as a solopreneur or a one-person business owner, this process is so helpful because I never have to spend any of my time doing this tedious research ever again, or pretty much any time-consuming tedious task. Because Kevin, or any new mini app that I build inside of 𝗕𝗏, will automatically do these tasks for me. And if you want to edit anything about your automation, you can do that here where it says Edit in Chat. Then all you have to do is just chat with 𝗕𝗏 to tell it what changes you want made. Again, you don't ever have to code anything because 𝗕𝗏 will do it all for you. And the best thing is, you can build AI employees or mini app automations to complete any task or workflow you want. And that's the main point that I want you to take away from this tutorial. Don't just copy what I'm showing you right here. Think of all the time-consuming tasks that you do now that take up so much of your time, stopping you from doing things that actually matter. Those are the things that you can automate with 𝗕𝗏. Just this one AI employee I created will save me about 20 hours per month, which is crazy. You can see some of my other AI agents that I've built right here. But I'm just getting started with 𝗕𝗏. I have lots of other ideas for other AI employees I'm going to create next to help me do all of my business tasks faster so I have more free time while my business runs for me. If you want me to create follow-up tutorials showing you other AI agents I create, let me know in the comments too. If enough people are interested, I'll create more tutorials. Now, a couple of important things I want to point out is that first, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what 𝗕𝗏 is capable of. There's so much more that it can do that I didn't show in this video. For example, you saw me ask my AI employee, Kevin, to add its research to a Google Sheet. You can do that by connecting external apps to 𝗕𝗏 through its connectors option here in the left menu under Agent Brain. And here you can see all of the external apps that you can connect to your 𝗕𝗏 super agent, like Google Docs, Google Drive, Notion, and even Shopify to help you build your online store. And you can see here under Skills, all of the other pre-built skills that 𝗕𝗏 has ready for you to use as soon as you create your account. You don't have to build any of these yourself, which make things really simple, especially if you're a beginner when it comes to AI agents, or this is your first time building an AI business. And last, I wanted to point out the pricing for 𝗕𝗏 because, like I mentioned earlier, it's completely free to create an account and access the super agent, which you can see right here. You can also get bonus credits just by completing tasks inside your account, which you can see right here. But to be completely honest, the free account is somewhat limited in credits and is best just for testing. So if you're serious about building and automating your online business, you might want to think about upgrading to a paid account like I did. But that's totally up to you. So let me know in the comments what you thought about 𝗕𝗏 Super Agent and about my AI employee, Kevin. But don't forget, the link to create your 𝗕𝗏 account is down in the description. And if you want even more help from me learning how to build and grow an online business with AI, join my community. There I go live to answer your questions in real time and also give you more in-depth tutorials and info to help you build and grow faster. The link to join my community is down in the description. Hopefully, I see you there.